There are many blender products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of blender from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Magic Bullet Blender. Rating 4.5. The Magic Bullet lets you blend, mix, and chop your favorite foods in seconds. Hassle-free cleaning. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. Included: 1 250W motor base, 1 cross blade, 1 tall cup, 1 short cup, 1 party mug, 2 lip rings, 2 stay fresh resealable lids, 1 to-go lid in 10-second recipe guide. Cross blade is made from stainless steel. Number 4. Food Processor Blender. Rating 4.6. Easily switches from Master Prep Pitcher to Master Prep Bowl to create masterful beverages and dishes in one easy step. Easily process up to 2 cups of fresh ingredients into perfectly chopped salads, salsa, and dips. Use your Ninja storage lids to keep all of your creations long-lasting and fresh in both the Master Prep Pitcher and Bowl. All attachments except the motor base are top rack dishwasher safe. Exercise care when handling blade assemblies. Number 3. Topkitch Commercial Blender. Rating 4.7. This commercial quiet blender's 3.5 horsepower motor boasts 26,000 RPM and 1,800 W, making it more than capable of handling drink mixing, smoothies, house-made spreads or salsa, and anything else you can throw at it. Operation couldn't be easier with a programmable touchscreen. 5 programmable functions enable you to set our silent blender to make your most popular recipes with a single push of a button. Plus, each program can be set in up to 5 time stages. A convenient pulse switch to throttle the unit to its highest speed. Number 2. Ninja AMZ493BRN. Rating 4.8. Stacked blade assembly and high-performance Pro Extractor blades assembly powers through frozen ingredients and ice with ease. Blender, ice crusher, and food processor combine that utilizes 1200 watts of performance power to truly customize your drink-making experience. Take the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. Mix and knead wholesome ingredients into dough for pizzas, breads, and more. Number 1. Ninja BL642. Rating 4.8. 1200 watt motor powers through the toughest ingredients and pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. The rust-proof Pro Extractor blades break down whole fruits, vegetables, ice, and seeds for maximum nutrient and vitamin extraction, blending entire fruits and vegetables and minimizing nutrients that go to waste. Take the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.